edge. Look at how windy it is.
Really strong winds.
This is just on the edge though. Whoa!
Blowing up to...
Wow!
The winds are blowing up to 17 miles an hour. It's unbelievable. And we're
Awesome!
This is going to blow us away. We're definitely just dangerous mission for a real test. Either will we die or survive in the parachute. Will we die?
I'm gonna go off the parachute, okay? I'm gonna parachute down. Here I go.
Whoa! Hey, Wolfie, don't get out.
We're just on the edge. Only leaves and branches are blowing. But let's see if I can parachute. Probably not, but we'll try.
Okay. Oh no. Hey, Wolfie. Oh, getting out.
Let's wait for a gust of wind.